Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you exactly how job seekers are using AI professionally to land interviews, impress recruiters, and get their dream jobs. I'll show you exactly what AI tools they used, and how you can use the same ones to get your dream job. Stick around, because I'll walk you through step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll be ready to crush your next interview using AI. Let's get started.
First, I would love to encourage open communication.
The tool we're diving into today is LockedIn AI, an innovative platform that's helping thousands of job seekers elevate their interview skills and land their dream jobs. To get started, simply check out the link in the video description, sign up on the platform, fill out the registration form, and verify your email that it's quick and easy. Select the interview format that suits your needs, whether it's a live simulation, a mock interview for practice, or a coding challenge to test your technical skills. Key tools include AI-powered mock interviews, professional meeting simulations, and online assessment practice to help you prepare with confidence. Whether you're gearing up for a phone interview, building a standout resume with the Resume Builder, or refining your communication skills, the platform is equipped with everything you need to succeed. With many more features available, it's your all-in-one solution for career growth and job readiness. Step 1. Set up your interview simulation. Start by selecting your interview type or tab. This helps LockedIn AI tailor the experience to your needs. If relevant, choose a scenario from the list. Then, enter the company name, position you're applying for, and your interview objective, whether it's preparing for a specific role or just practicing general interview skills. This step ensures the AI gives you realistic, role-specific questions and feedback tailored to your goals. Step 2. Upload your resume and complete the Q&A form. Upload your resume or any relevant documents to give the AI better context about your background. Then, fill out the question and answer form. This helps tailor the mock interview questions to your specific role, experience, and goals, ensuring a personalized and effective preparation experience. Step 3. Enable audio input. To begin your mock interview, make sure your microphone is connected and working. Then, click on Start LockedIn Pilot to launch the interactive AI interview session. This is the step where you ask your interview question, and the AI instantly generates a high-quality, tailored answer for you in seconds. You can also record the entire interview session for review. Simply choose whether you want to share a specific tab, window, or your entire screen. Once you've selected what to share, just enable your microphone, click Start Sharing, and you're ready to go. On the left side of your screen, you'll find a private panel where you can open and view your documents, such as your resume, portfolio, or any notes you may need during the session. Don't worry, this panel is completely private and only visible to you. The interviewer will not see it. On the right side, you have control settings, where you can toggle your microphone and live transcript on or off at any time. Once your interview or meeting is complete, you can stop the session and instantly review a full recording and transcript. This feature helps you analyze your performance and continuously improve for your next interview. During an interview, you can share your screen using your PC for presentations or walkthroughs, while also discreetly using your phone to look up answers or references if needed. The key is to stay composed, resourceful, and make yourself as comfortable as possible to perform at your best. It's as simple as that. So what are you waiting for? Don't miss out on this opportunity to level up your interview game. Check out the link in the description below to start practicing today and ensure you're fully prepared for your next job interview. Take action now and start your journey toward landing your dream job.